In the Geoprocessing pane, search for and open the Merge tool. Click the Input Datasets drop-down box and select Mount Rushmore structure. Click the second Input Datasets drop-down box and select Hill City structure. Name the output dataset GL Structures. Examine the field map. Merge will attempt to keep all fields. The fields that appear in both input files have a 2 by the field name. The other fields are found only in the Mount Rushmore dataset. These fields will contain data for the Mount Rushmore features and null values for the Hill City features.